In 2017, a slew of buildings hit the Brickell market that changed the Miami condo market forever. With them, they brought new life and a feel to the already emerging and booming city of Miami. And one of those buildings always caught my attention, and the name of that building is Brickell Heights. And you guys guessed it, because today we're actually touring a 1-bedroom plus den with 2 full bathrooms at Brickell Heights, all for the low price of $510,000. And if you were interested in renting a property or this exact same layout in this building, well, that would go for around $2,500 per month. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at this video. All right, cool. So now that you know what we're doing and now that you know what this episode is all about, let's get started. Welcome everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you stumbled across this channel and you're wondering who in the world is this guy and what is this channel all about, those are 2 great questions, friend. Number 1, I'm a Miami real estate agent. I help my clients buy, sell, and rent and invest in real estate, which is pretty obvious. And number 2, I created this YouTube channel to bring you guys property tour videos so that you can see what properties in Miami actually rent and sell for. So if you're interested in seeing more of that content, then do me 2 favors. Number 1, subscribe to the channel. Come on, don't be stingy with your time. It takes 2 seconds, 0.2 seconds actually, to click that subscribe button. Number 2, like this video. Another 0.2 seconds. I need to steal half of a second from you to do both of those things, and that will help my channel grow and I can continue to bring you more value and content. So if that is something that you're interested in seeing, help your boy out, support the channel by doing those 2 things, and that is the PSA that I have for you. I promise you I won't bother you anymore. So back to the value and back to the content of this video. The first thing you will notice about Brickell Heights is the mural that encases the exterior of the building. This colorful facade was installed by famed Argentine artist Fabian Burgos and really sets the tone for the new era and class of building. Brickell Heights consists of 2 towers spanning over 50 stories tall with more than 600 condo residences between them both. The mainstay of Brickell Heights is definitely the amenity deck, which is filled to the brim with top-of-the-line resort-style amenities, such as a lap pool, a screening room, a kids' playroom, a business center, 2 club rooms, a rooftop pool, a sun deck, and not to mention you have access to a 35,000 square foot 3-story Equinox fitness center and spa, as well as a SoulCycle spin studio. Yeah, you get the point. You never have to leave this place. The interior of this property doesn't disappoint either. This 1-bedroom plus den has 966 square feet of interior living space with 2 full baths. Everything from the finishes in the kitchen to the porcelain flooring is all top of the line, brimming with this new aesthetic that has definitely set the tone and expectation for other buildings for the years to come. Two things that are a must for me when it comes to luxury high-end condos. 1, a spacious balcony, and 2, a great view to accompany that with. So luckily for us, this unit has both. Stunning views of the city and bay are great to take in during the day, but especially at night. So yeah, what else can I say about Brickell Heights that hasn't already been said? I love this building, and I definitely think it's what most people envision a luxury high-rise building in Miami to be. So definitely, I think for $510,000 for purchase and $2,500 a month for rent, I think there's tremendous value. It packages the entire Miami lifestyle into one. You get the city and the bay views and the finishes inside of the unit,
but you also get the resort style amenities within the building. But what do you guys think? Sound off in the comment section below. Would you pay $2,500 a month for rent? Would you pay $510,000 for purchase? Let me know why or why not in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel to become part of the Miami Tour community, and like this video if you haven't done so already. Help your boy out with the YouTube algorithm. And that's all I have for today, guys. Class is dismissed, and I'll see you all next week.